Eating right is like putting premium gas in a high-performance car. You wouldn't fill up a Ferrari with the cheapest stuff you can find, would you? Your body deserves the same respect. It's a complex machine that needs the right fuel to run smoothly. When you eat a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. This means more energy, better sleep, improved concentration, and a stronger immune system. Think of it this way: every bite you take is either a deposit or a withdrawal from your health bank account. Junk food might be a quick fix, but it's like spending all your savings on lottery tickets. Healthy food, on the other hand, is a smart investment that pays off for years to come. So, are you ready to start fueling your body for peak performance? Let's get cooking! Now that we know why eating right is important, let's talk about what that actually looks like. Don't worry, it's not about deprivation or complicated diets. It's about making smart choices that nourish your body and satisfy your taste buds. On the good list, we have whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Think of these as the VIPs of the food world. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that keep your body running like a well-oiled machine. The bad list includes processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These guys are like party crashers. They might seem fun at first, but they leave you feeling sluggish, bloated, and unsatisfied in the long run. Here's a simple rule of thumb. If it comes in a box with a long list of ingredients you can't pronounce, it's probably best to leave it on the shelf. Stick to the perimeter of the grocery store where the fresh, whole foods hang out. Eating right isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you eat. Mindful eating is all about slowing down, paying attention to your food, and savoring every bite. It's about treating your meals as a time to nourish your body and soul, not just a quick fix for an empty stomach. One simple tip is to put your fork down between bites. This gives your brain a chance to catch up with your stomach and register when you're actually full, preventing overeating. Another trick is to chew your food thoroughly. Aim for at least 20 chews per bite. This not only aids digestion, but also enhances the flavor of your food. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and create a calm and relaxing environment for your meals. This will help you focus on your food and enjoy it more fully. Remember, eating should be a pleasurable experience, not a race to the finish line. Eating well is an act of self-care, a gift you give to your body and mind. And the best part? The rewards are just as delicious as the food itself. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you'll notice a surge in your energy levels. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day, and you'll power through afternoon slumps without relying on sugar rushes. Eating a balanced diet can also do wonders for your mood. Certain foods, like those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, have been linked to improved brain function and a more positive outlook. And let's not forget about the long-term benefits. Eating right can reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. It's like investing in a health insurance policy for your future self. So, there you have it. Eating right doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It's about making simple, sustainable changes that nourish your body and make you feel your absolute best. Now go forth and eat well, and